Dimmer switches allow you to adjust the brightness of your lights to create the right atmosphere. They also save energy and extend the life of light bulbs. Enerlites has added 3 new dimmers to its product line. The 55307L is a low-voltage dimmer, designed for LED lighting with 0 to 10-volt dimming. The Enerlites 55307 is our standard voltage dimmer, suitable for most residential and commercial lighting needs. Lastly, we have the dual dimmer 57007, which allows you to control 2 different lights from one location. A retrofit installation of these dimmers is just as easy as a new installation. We'll demonstrate with the 55307. Here's what you need: a flathead screwdriver, a wire stripper, and a voltage meter. Caution is essential when handling live wires. For a single-pole installation, begin by turning the light switch off. Then remove the existing wall plate and switch, but leave the wires attached. Use the voltage meter to identify the hot wire and mark it with a piece of tape. Turn off the circuit breaker and use the voltage meter to confirm that the power is off. Remove the existing switch. Prepare the wires by making sure there is about ½ an inch of wire stripped off the existing wires. Install the stripped wires by inserting them into the terminal holes in the back and tightening the terminal screws. The hot wire should be installed on the hot terminal, the load wire on the load traveler terminal, and the ground wire on the GR terminal. Bend the wires as needed and push them back into the electrical box, then secure the dimmer onto the wall box with mounting screws. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker and test to see if the dimmer is working properly. Set the dimming slider to the lowest level and adjust the trim pot wheel to your desired setting. Installation of the 5307L low-voltage dimmer is similar to the 55307, with the addition of connecting the 0 to 10-volt dimming wires. Installation of the 57007 dual-load dimmer is similar to the 55307 as well, except it will have an additional load wire. You can use dimmers in a variety of ways. In residential settings, use dimmers in living rooms for watching TV or reading, in bedrooms to create a relaxing environment, and in dining areas for meals or entertaining guests. They provide flexibility and comfort in any room. For commercial spaces, dimmers are great in offices to reduce glare on screens and create a more comfortable work environment. In restaurants, they help set the perfect dining ambience. Retail stores can use them to highlight displays and create an inviting shopping experience. To learn more about Enerlites dimmers and other wiring devices, visit us at enerlites.com.